Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
What's up, and welcome back to the Williams fam. Hope you guys are having a great day. So your girl is home currently. Right now I got 2 pots on. I'm about to be making some soup. I'm making some beef soup. I got my corn and stuff, and I got my sweet potato, my yam, my dasheen, and I got my flour ready to go sort out some flour. I'm currently actually editing a vlog. I need to go pick up the kids them from school. Some of Faith's birthday gift came in, so I pretty much had to hide them and wrap them. So yeah, because she's been asking for certain things, and yeah, so and Mr. Memphis has been asking for these specific earbuds he wanted as well. So I don't know how these kids them chest so high, earbuds. Not even me don't have earbuds, but they want earbuds. But whatever. But and his birthday is coming up too, so that order just came in as well, because yeah, his birthday is 11 days exactly after Faith. So you know how it is, I gotta make sure I gotta get him some stuff. But the good thing about it, he's not so picky, which I love. He's not really that picky about stuff, so he is more grateful. Anything he gets, he's good, right? But once in a while he will request something, and because my boy is an A plus student, you know, I gotta make sure I try and fulfill that for him. Because when you find your kids are doing very good in school, especially, like, he's always done good. He's always been like an A B minus is the I think the least he's ever gotten in school since he's been going to school, and he's like an A plus student. So when you find that your kids are doing good with school and they ask for something, and you find that they're not out there hanging out with the wrong crowd, like, I have no problem with rewarding my children with like something that they want. As long as I can afford it, then I don't see a problem with it. But if I can't afford it, I'm not gonna go out of my way to get it, right? Because you also have to teach your kids them about discipline. So yeah, so and he's been asking for something else for his birthday. Well, he's been asking for it the whole year and for his birthday, but shh, we have a surprise for him. That will be coming just now. We haven't told any of them yet what's going on, but they will find out sooner or later. So yeah, I can give him that. He's been doing very good with school and stuff. No complaint. Like, I haven't even needed, the teacher emailed me because we had parent teacher night. I haven't even needed to go to a school for that, or Faith. And Faith, she's doing really well. I must say, the 3 of my kids, they're doing very good in school, which I am very proud of. Like, as a parent, I believe that, you know, education is key. You can never be too old or too young to educate yourself. That's just one of my motto. And hey, as long if there's education there and you can get it for free, why not accept it? Knowledge is key. That's exactly what it is. Knowledge is key. So yeah, guys, I am just making some, so you know, it's family time. So I just want to spend some time with the kids. Before you know it, Christmas is here, so you know we gotta do the Christmas shopping and all that stuff. So right now I'm currently editing a vlog, and I'm about to, yeah, go make some flour. So I guess let me go wash my hands and get this flour started and go nail this dumpling, and yeah, and then I gotta go get the kids. So okay guys, so I ended up going to get the kids, and I am back, finished cooking my food. So I am going to, so this is all the stuff that I got to put into my soup. Yes, your girl is making 2 pots 2 pots of soup, because I ain't planning on cooking tomorrow. So I'm making enough, and my family, they love soup. So I already put my dumplings and stuff in, so I am just putting in the rest of the food in now. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna let that cook out. Then your girl is gonna put in the rest of the stuff in the pot, and that's it. I'm about to go head in the shower just now myself too. So I am doing that, and I'm also doing laundry because it is laundry day. Yes, it is laundry day, so I am quite busy. I've been doing a few running around today, but that's okay. I got everything I needed to get done, so that is good. Yeah, so yeah, I'm excited. It's just, oh, that's my favorite time of year is coming, guys. Christmas, always my favorite time of year. I love Christmas. I always like, oh, and for, do you guys like Christmas? Let me know in the comments below. What is your favorite season? You have Christmas, you have Thanksgiving, you have Easter, New Year's Eve, and am I missing one?
Mommy,
Am I missing one?
Thanksgiving.
No, I said Thanksgiving.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I said Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's Eve, Easter, right? So I don't know. Yeah, let me know what is your favorite holiday. My favorite holiday would be Easter and
Easter
yeah,
and Christmas.
Easter and Christmas would be mine, but mostly Christmas. Christmas is my favorite holiday because I love decorating for Christmas
and I love
and putting up the
family.
Christmas tree with the kids. I love doing that and just being able to spend time with family. You know, family time for me, it's very important because as the kids then get older, we don't get enough time. And with everybody working in school, I just find that there's not enough family time anymore like there used to be. So that is something I am looking forward to. So I am just gonna put this food in, and then I'll probably just go upstairs and go take a shower, and Faith will watch this. Yes, Faith's always do the one that watches the pot, like when I'm gone upstairs or whatever, because she knows how mommy likes it. So she usually just take charge and does that. She loves cooking, so which is good. All showered, and I just came down to check on the pot, but as you can see, the pot has thickened up. The soup looks delicioso. So I just add some more water to it because it's extra thick. And the reason why I have on 2 pots of soup, guys, is not that I'm greedy, but it's that your girl loves soup and I don't have a proper pot soup. I need one of them witch pots. Yeah, one of them big long witch pot. Oh my gosh, those things, that's what I need. The things well, I don't know if you've been the ones that are not from the island and you do go to the island and you ever see the soup man where it's called soupy and them have them big old gigantic like witch pot. Yes, it's one of those I need for soups, because your girl, I love me some soup, especially some beef, even goated soup. Oh my goodness, oh, I can't. I love soup. So that is what I am currently doing, and I just finished editing the vlog, and actually it will be uploaded tonight at 7 p.m. so this video, you guys will see this one afterwards. You will see this video after this vlog will be up after the other one has been up. So stay tuned for that. And oh, I wanted to let you guys know we wanted to do more mukbangs, if that's how you call them, but we are not sure what topic we should use for a mukbang. So let us know what topic you guys would like us to elaborate on when we do our mukbangs. And yeah, so what are you hiding for? This one all showered up and everything, so everyone's all showered and we're pretty much getting ready for family night. And yeah, so we're about to
like Memphis.
No type of AirPods can work with it because of the type of
AirPods. Where are you about? You want AirPods? Get out of here. Listen to this, both all these guys want AirPods because this one got AirPods. So now we're in the talk about everybody want AirPods.
I want AirPods too. You said you'll get them for me.
Excuse you? You let me go, but I'll get them for you.
She's getting them. She said that. She's gonna
no,
get me
I didn't
AirPods.
say
Yes,
that.
yes,
You
she
need
did.
to behave yourself.
I do.
Hello.
I got the highest mark in my class. You see that? You see that? You see that? I did. The music teacher, she's like, you got the highest mark. in
Oh,
class."
so just the music alone?
And in math, jump.
Hello, you two, stop it. See, this is what I put up with every day. Oh my gosh.
Look, here.
And if it's not her and Memphis outfit, what did you just choke me with?
In your body.
Those fingernails need to cut. That is what we're doing. We're just getting ready to, I'm waiting on hubby to come home. So then we can sit down and eat and watch some movie. Maybe make some popcorn later if we don't fall asleep.
Sunday nights are for
What? Did you say Sunday nights? Sunday nights are not for that.
Mom, no.
So,
I was moving by myself tonight. I ate popcorn and all that.
So that's what we are doing. But for now, your girl is gonna sample the soup. Yes, I think I'm gonna sample the soup. I'm not gonna wait until later. I don't think I ever wait later. Listen, you always gotta sample your cooking. And me love soup, so your girl is about to go sample that bad boy just now. Yeah, I have to taste and make sure, you know, everything they going good in the pot. Yeah, if in a sample way where you're cooking, how you gonna know how it tastes, right? So I'm just gonna scoop myself out some soup. Hold on. So of course I got my soup here. So you know your girl's gonna have to sample the merchandise, make sure it's all good. Okay. And the pepper is kicking. Love it, love it. Yeah, soup without pepper, you need that oomph in that. You need to put your foot in the soup. Boy, you have to put your foot in the soup for it to taste real good. So yeah, I am just, I'll catch y'all in a bit. I'ma go have me some soup, guys. We want some? So I'll catch y'all in a bit.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and